I'm going to leave you with the thought for the day. When we realize that happiness is our essential nature, it's who we are at our core, it changes everything. Happiness is no longer something that you put on a goal list to try to find, earn, achieve, or buy. The pursuit of happiness is over because happiness is here now, and all it takes is making time to connect with it. But are you taking the time in your everyday life to connect and nurture the happiness within you? Are you making your self-care a priority? Are you loving yourself enough to take time to connect with the love, peace, and happiness within you? Or are you working 60 to 80 hours a week and leaving yourself very little time to do so? Are you scheduling time in your day to participate in the activities that you know help to remove the blocks to you feeling the happiness that's always inside you to feel? When we're really busy, it's important that we do schedule in time to do the things we know help us to be in the now and to feel the happiness in the moment. That we do prioritize our health and well-being so that we can be our optimum self and be the best parent, employee, friend, or whoever we need to be for everybody else, because we can only effectively do that when our cup is not only full, but overflowing. Ultimately, in order to be happy, we have to be happy with ourselves first. Unconditionally loving and accepting ourselves just as we are, and demonstrating that love in the way that you know work for you. Thank you for joining me on this week's episode of the Steps to Happiness show. I look forward to being with you again next week.
To connect with Teresa Greco after the show for coaching, workshops, and speaking engagements, you can visit her website at teresagreco.ca or by email at stepstotruehappiness@gmail.com, or follow her on Instagram at TeresaGreco_Steps to Happiness, or on Facebook at Steps to True Happiness with Teresa Greco.